Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 4 of how to set up a desktop computer with dual monitors for office use. In today's video, we will be adding the dual monitors to the stand that we created in the last videos. So, one monitor we can bring the second monitor and place this on the table. Anything we no longer require, we can remove. We can bring the stand in the middle of the table. And now monitor 1 is ready to be placed on top. Before we do that, we really need to remove one of the screws with the correct Allen key. And now replace the screw back on top. So that's monitor 1 done. Same thing for the next monitor. Remove the screw. Bring the second monitor. Place on top. Bring back the screw, use the Allen key, and now we can adjust. There's only one thing to do now. Bring back the instruction manual. And close the screw on top. And then we can use the small spanner to tighten the nut. clockwise once, clockwise twice, and now this should prevent any damages to the computer. It's all in balance. If we are required to make some changes, we can pull out the Allen keys and change the way the monitors really work and sit. And so in this tutorial, we showed you how to add dual monitors to the stand. And in the next tutorials, I will be showing you how to connect the monitors and stands to the computer tower. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.